Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python Programs for Beginners series. In this video, we're going to learn how to subtract two numbers in Python using the subtraction operator. In Python, we use the subtraction operator, which is represented by the minus symbol, to perform the subtraction operation. The subtraction operator takes two operands, one on the left and one on the right, and returns the difference by subtracting the right operand from the left operand. Let's understand this with an example. If we take two numbers, 20 as the left operand and 15 as the right operand, the subtraction operator returns their difference, which is 5. Now, let us write a Python program to do the same. We'll begin by asking the user to enter two numbers. We'll use the input function to take input from the user as strings and then convert those strings into integers using the int function. We'll store the first number in a variable called num1 and the second number in a variable called num2. Now comes the main part, using the subtraction operator. We will subtract the second number from the first number using the expression num1 minus num2 and store the result in a variable called difference. Finally, we'll print the result using a print statement, along with a message, difference is, followed by the value of difference. Let us do a dry run of this logic. If the user enters 20 for num1 and 15 for num2, then the subtraction expression becomes 20 minus 15, which results in 5. This value is stored in the variable difference, and the program prints, the difference is 5. Let's run the program. When the user enters two numbers, for example 20 and 15, the program calculates the difference and prints. The difference is 5. To summarize, the subtraction operator in Python is used to subtract one number from another. It takes two operands, subtracts the right from the left, and returns the result. If this video helped you understand how to subtract two numbers using the subtraction operator in Python, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Python tutorials.